There's a bird in my house. I am gonna go try and get it out of here. Oh my god. Where the hell are you? Oh my god. Woo! Oh my god. I'll show you. It's not funny. Oh my god. It's like stuck in the curtain. Now I have to get over there and open the curtain somehow. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna open the door.
Mommy?
Don't laugh at me! Oh my alarm! Oh my god! I forgot my house alarm! Okay, let's see if the bird left. Where did he go outside? Luke, did the bird go outside? No, it didn't! It's still in the house! Oh my god! Okay. Hang on. Let's open this door. It's freaking cold. I'm in my underwear. I hope my neighbors don't see. Oh, he's way up there. Okay. Somebody said a broom. Let's get a broom. Alright, let's go outside. Ah! Okay, you're almost there. Yes! We got him!